guys, welcome back to my channel Abhi's Beauty Hack. It's Abhi here. In today's video we are going to see a complete review about Plum Green Tea Alcohol Free Toner. So you might think that why is she even reviewing with a sample product. Please note that I am the sole spender of my cosmetics. Okay, so for some products which I couldn't really afford it, I just buy a sample kit and I use it, and only if I like it I can invest. Since I cannot spend all my money on cosmetics, I do this. Okay, where I purchase these minis or what do you call this, sample packs, I purchase it in Nykaa. There you get offers on certain brands and certain products. If you purchase like 200 ml of face wash of particular brand, you will get a sample pack of this, and like that you will get more offers. Also you will get sample packs in Nykaa store, also in malls or in the Nykaa store you get it. If you know any other place where they provide samples, please comment it, so that even me as well as any other viewers of our channel, you know, they'll be benefited out of it. So now let's get in the video. So this is the Plum Green Tea Alcohol Free Toner. This is about 50 ml. Okay, this is a 50 ml sample pack. The product is free from alcohol. You know, any product, any toner which is alcohol free is absolutely, you know, it is absolutely acceptable by your skin. Okay, because alcohol, mostly all toners contains alcohol. Not all toners, most of the toners contains alcohol, which may damage your skin in the long run. So whenever you find a toner, please purchase, please check that it is alcohol free. Okay, so what the product does is it gives a fresh look. Since the product contains organic antioxidants, it gives a fresh look, reducing the dryness and redness which the normal alcohol toner brings. Okay, this product is actually nice to use. I tried the sample of this. I've been using it for about 4 weeks, that is a month for now. Yes, I use a little bit of toner because I do experiment on other things, so I'm using a little bit of the toner. But now, before doing this video, I thoroughly checked the, you know, the ingredients, the, you know, what the product does. So like that lists I have thoroughly checked it. Now we will see how the product is from inside. So for that, I'm taking a cotton round. So here I'm using the Origami Lilybell cotton rounds. It is quite nice. This contains 80 numbers, so 80 cotton, excuse me, so 80 cotton rounds it contains, and the price is 125. I bought it in a local supermarket here in Chennai. I think you could purchase this online also. This is super cotton. It is 100% cotton cotton rounds, and I like using it. So yes, it has open close lid type. Okay, it is super runny, the exact consistent of your toner, which will be easy to actually apply. So what you'll have to do this on a clean face. You should just dab it. You don't really need to rub it all over your face. Just dab it. That will do. After dabbing, you know, actually while you do your skincare routine, make sure that you leave at least a 2-minute gap between one step and the other, so that your skin gets adequate time to absorb the products or whatever you apply. So you will have to dab it like this. It has a mild, you know, green tea fragrance in this. You know, we all know that green tea it greatly helps in healing out your you know, your skin problems like skin redness or you know, rashes or whatever. It greatly helps healing it. And this toner, you know, it gives a smooth and you know, enriched look to your skin. And after and using this and applying your moisturizer, that is a Plum Green Tea moisturizer, which I have mentioned in the previous video. I'll give a card. Okay, you can go check that moisturizer also. So this it gives a good it gives a complete skincare routine on using both the products. Plum usually it is a bit pricey for the budget seekers, but still, you know, Plum in this toner as well as in the moisturizer, this is the best ever product I have ever used in Plum. Okay, not mentioned in Plum. This is the best product I would say, rather than any other under eye cream or night gel, whatever it is. Only this toner and the moisturizer is my favorite in Plum. So if you are someone who is suffering from acne or some dry skin, this product will be amazing to you. And since I suffer from the dry skin, I get extraordinary dry patches even in the humid climate. Okay, I don't know how God made my skin, whatever. Okay, so if you have the dry patches, or if you feel, you know, your skin produces excess oil, or if you have any skin concerns like redness or any other problems due to any other, you know, any other toner or any other products you have used, this product greatly heals it. So what I am trying to say is, it suits all skin types, no matter whatever your skin concern is. This toner gives a solution, a very good solution to all your skin concerns. Okay, so on using this, I really, you know, I'm really in love with this. No matter what the price is, I'm going to purchase this. This is just a sample pack, and whatever the you know, whatever the quantity or whatever the price might be, I'm sure I will purchase the alcohol-free toner from Plum, and I'm in love with this. I think I have covered whatever I know about this product. If you have any doubts regarding the product, you can comment it down, or if you want to know the review about any other toner, or if you have any specific skin concerns, and if you want me to recommend any toner, for sure I'm there to help you. Please feel free to, you know, ask me anything you want. Okay, yeah, we will complete the video now, and we'll all meet in the next video. Until then, it's bye from Abhi. Bye.